Whoa, he'll jack to the VOD later lol. Oh.
Did anybody get a clip?
Is there a ferret update?
Yeah, there's a ferret update in the Discord, dude. Oh shit, I dropped that one. There's a ferret update in the Discord.
Het audio has liggen streepje fix that shit.
What is Discord?
Hello.
Yo, Doge. What's up, Doge? You fuck with kimchi mac and cheese, Doge? I think I need to like maybe put some spring onions.
Purebred Doge.
Some of these fucking like
Oh, like the white parts?
the limp ass spring onions.
Hmm.
I just need something on the side.
Right.
Alright. Did you post a picture of yours?
Yeah. I took a super lazy one. What's up? Honestly, I got enough left over. I might take a nicer one tomorrow.
Oh shit.
Taters? What you
I'm
doing?
gonna have a shitload of sauce. What the dog
Yeah.
doing? Did somebody call Taters in here?
Yeah, Taters took a piss on your kimchi mac.
Fuck, dude. There's too much dirt on my spring onion.
Jam.
My god. I'm gonna be fucking diabetic by the time I'm finished with all this. Ooh, feels so good though.
I gotta go meet up with the Green Hoon Grannies BRB.
Ooh. I don't know who the Green Hoon Grannies are, but
Green Hoon Grannies. They sound pretty fun.
Monkas.
This definitely was not the right dish for this kind of picture. Just fucking ramekin.
you need some wider, where you can kind of like see the layers.
Maybe if I would have stacked it higher.
Yeah, I could have done it too. It's definitely one of those dishes where like it kind of just looks like a blob of like orange and brown, and then like the garnishes kind of make it.
What's a green hoon, Granny? Mullet, nature porridge.
Oh yeah, and if you ever got like a bunch of limp scallions you want to use for like a photo, you just throw those in some water for like 10-15 minutes and they'll like perk right back up.
Oh, does that work? Mine were limp as hell, but I also just like cut them all together, which I shouldn't have done.
Miss
I should've-
Tyrene, an elderly lady living the mountains.
I usually do that too because I'm lazy.
Lettuce.
An elderly lady living in the mountains of China that sells devil's lettuce. Oh shit, dude. Yo, can I get her contact? Let's finally taste test, dude.
The only thing I wish I'd done differently is I wish I'd cooked the chicken later, because they like kind of like cooled and got like a little hard. But otherwise, fucking so
Yo.
Also,
Hijacking it.
I'll trade contact
Dude.
info if you give Eject's number.
OMG y mis de proposar.